death was a big shock and tragedy for the whole family at home and abroad. We ask Allah to forgive her sins and grant her Jannatul Firdaus. She will always be loved and remembered. Sleep well and continue to rest in perfect peace. She loved to write, but her diary was never found. From your beloved family, mother, aunts, uncles, brothers, sisters, cousins, nieces and nephews, only the heart that truly loves know the sorrow of parting.
But this is our love to Allah. He sent his angel of death. My time has come now.
At the river that flows by the throne of God, soon we'll reach the shining river. Soon our pilgrim.
The death is reported of Prophetess Mrs. Sarah Koma of 34 Charles Street, Freetown, aged 37. Funeral arrangements will be announced later. Sympathizers may call on mobile numbers 033 109 691, 088 388 015, or 030 699 076.